What is up everyone, and you're joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. And today we have something much of a bigger scale for you guys. Let's see what it is. This is none other than the 007 Aston Martin DB5. Based on the Ian Fleming's novel, the 1964 film Goldfinger was directed by Guy Hamilton and starred by Sean Connery as Agent 007 in the film. So, talking about the James Bond film, this was made and this was in 6 movies. And actually, talking about the DB5, it was launched in 1963. Let's get into the car and see what it looks inside. Talking about this specific 1/18 scale model, this is done by Hot Wheels under the Hot Wheels Elite edition, and as you can see, they have given the catalog of the car on the opening parts and what can be done through the car, and we will be checking out this very soon. So let's get into the car and see how it looks. And there you have it, the Aston Martin DB5. Aston Martin DB5 in the silver beige color. This was actually a dream come true to bring a 1/18 scale DB5, especially from 007, into the channel, and today we were able to achieve that goal. And let's see how the details are. So we have taken it out from the box, and this is how it looks like, and it actually looks amazing. So we'll be checking on each and every detail of the car, and starting off with the bonnet. I'll be using a small pin in order to get into every single part of the car. Then the engine details. Actually, looking into the engine details, it looks amazing, and you can see every tiny little detail of the car. And let's talk about the front view. They also have a sunroof and a pure classical car with an absolutely amazing set of details. So as I got to know that Hot Wheels was able to bring out all the best details of the car, including the guns and the options that the car had. So moving on to the headlights. So this actually, in the movie, they had machine guns under the headlights. So even in this car, you can actually remove the headlights to get the machine guns. So let me put down the bonnet for a second. Let's get the pin out. Second, put back in the headlights, and then turn the car a bit. You can actually lift up the antenna, and then you can also bring out the clips of the tires out. In the movie, you actually call it a tire shredder, in order to if enemy vehicle comes close by, the panel starts twisting and it can actually cut through the tires of the enemy vehicles. So that is that. So you can push it back in. Moving on to the rear side of the car. In the 007 movie, they had a bulletproof shield that pops up when 007 presses a button inside. So in the car, once you press this button, the bulletproof shield comes up. Actually amazing how they have given priority to every single detail of the car. So let's put this back in. You just have to clip it down when it stays down, and then you can actually open up the rear cabin. It's a bit tight, but you can see with the panel of the system on how the bulletproof works, the cover for it, and the back cabin. So let's close it down and get into the interior details. Before we move into the interior details, actually the bumpers had a guard. In the movie, the bumpers had a guard. When the 007 presses few buttons, the guards actually come out, so the enemy vehicles can't reach the car close enough. So these are those guards. So let's put them back in. And since 007 was a secret agent, they always have to shift up their identity, the number plates and everything. So in the movie also, the car was able to change their number plates. So in this edition, the Hot Wheels edition, they have given 3 number plates. You can actually see I'm gonna change the number plates. So this is actually like a triangle cover inside. So once you press it, it actually changes the number plate as well as the rear. When you turn back, the rear number plate is also changeable, just as same as the front, and all 3 number plates are there in the rear as well. And then let's move into the interior. There you go. The doors are open and the car is ready to be looked into the interior. So I'll be doing a close-up shots on the interior, and there's actually a sunroof which can fit into the car. It's actually given in on the top of the box. So you just have to take it out. So there you have it. So there you have it. There's a small clip which fits into this, so you can actually figure out which side fits in first. And there you go. So whenever you want, you can actually remove it. You have to press it a bit from the top. You have to press it a bit from below, so it pops out. Everything is actually hard metal, and so let's leave this aside. And talking more about the in details regarding the movie and the collaboration with Aston Martin. In the 007, they actually had a safety measure where the seat ejects itself once you press the middle, the center seat version, and you can actually see the seat actually comes out. Since I have still put on with the tapes, it doesn't pop out properly, but you can actually take the seats out. Not the driver seat though, but the passenger seat. And to put it back, you just have to click it in, and actually it goes back to where it was. So there you go. The Aston Martin DB5 from the 007 movie series. And as always, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and always make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news. And to bring in the good news for you guys, we will be bringing in more 118 scales to the channel in the future, and we will be doing a full review and unboxing of each and every car to you, and tell you all the special details and all the collaborations and all the details that you need to know throughout the channel. So stay tuned as always, and hope you guys enjoy the video. See you guys soon on the next video.